Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. Today is Sunday. We just opened, market just opened at 7:30 right now. And I'm making this video as a weekly recap on trades taken last week. I forgot to make I was kind of like a very busy doing one-on-one and all of that. So this is the time that I'm making it right now. Okay, so this is a gold trade from 150 box size. The week starting at 20th October, right? So this is 200 pip to the long side here. Gold is just keep going long, long, long. And now it's falling into wave four, so be careful. Right now, this is the first one. The second, you can see here, EUR-AUD on the 20th to the downside, 85 pip sell order is right there. All the trades are taken by the EA, that's Expert Advisor Robot. This is the one. I had this entry here, but got knocked out at break even. And then this is the one that was taken here. This was also taken. See this arrow here? So I was positive here, then closed, then I positive here, then closed, then positive here, and I close it here. I said, well, the hell with it, and it's gonna go up again. So, it is 105 pip right there. And this one is from here going up there, Aussie yen 70 pip on the 20th. On the 21st, CAD yen 75 pip. The entry was on the 21st, and then you can see the volatility going on all the way to the upside. And it is range was completed 75 pip. This one here, this is the range indicator tells me that it is about time to close the trade because it may retrace. So USD yen 7-minute chart 21st. This is the entry here. Buy order is right there. Came very close. I didn't move the SL at that time, so I was kind of like safe here, and my SL was there. And then we move up there. Then I moved my SL to the break even here. So now after that, even I was late to close, and it came down, and then still 85 pip from this yellow line and from the entry, not from the top. I count this from the entry and where the yellow line is at the time of closing the trade. Okay. So USD yen 140 pip. This is on the 21st, but you see that the entry was on the 20th, right? So it didn't move much, and I says, well, what the hell with it? So just hold on to it and see what happened. Because yesterday I made the video, yesterday or the day before yesterday, about the US dollar index, that I was expecting that US dollar index is gonna get strong, and that strength will take this pair to the upside. So I said, okay, let's hold and see if we can add one more day daily range into this trade, and we did that. So this is on the 21st, Euro USD, USD getting strong, and see what happens. Sell order, boom, boom, 50 pip. And this is gold again going to the upside. It's useless to even say about gold, right? It's just keep going to the upside. It dips a little bit and then go to the upside again. So pound Aussie, it was a short here and then went all the way down. 125 pips, sell order is right there on the 22nd. 22nd, gold again going to the upside for 380 pip. And this is, by the way, from the 500 box size chart. Right? And big chart. It's like a 4-hour chart. Excuse me. So CAD yen, this is what the entry is. It's on the 20th. And then again, this is a very slow mover. So I had to hold it for a couple of days and then end up here for 130 pip to the upside. Yen weakness. Yen weakness gave me this one as well for 80 pip USD yen. Again, from ranging here. After this, I had to trade from here, right? And then close here and then ranging, and then again went for another 80 pip to the upside. And then this is euro yen. Yen is getting weaker because of the that lady prime minister now they have, and she is very dovish about the yen. So yen is losing. And then all yen pairs are going to the upside. So be careful. And on this is pound yen, and this entry is on the 22nd, close on the 23rd. So 22nd and this 23rd, I held it for 95. This is from 7-minute chart. I mean, yeah. Now this one, Euro Aussie, it's a drop here. Sell order is right there for 50 pip on the 23rd. And on the 24th, you can see Euro Yen also. This is entry from 22nd, and I held it nicely because euro was getting strong as well for some reason, right? And yen was getting weaker. So it says, okay, just hold on to it and see what happened. And then I did 50 pip. Last week I was, busy doing a lot of different things. So, some of these trades you'll see that I held it, more than one day. This one here, pound Aussie again dropping here. This is 110 pip on the 23rd. And you can see the entry was on the 23rd as well at the end, just the beginning, right? And then this is pound Aussie. It's the same kind of entry here. I closed that one, but then the other one that's, I had Omar account as well. So it was still on, and then it went there all the way down here. 425 pip. So these are the 17, 18 trades last week, much better than the previous week, I guess. But then now we are about to get into the November, the month of November, which will be slowing down a little bit and then slow down the hill, and then December will be the slowest month of the year. So be careful. Ranging daily ranges will shrink a little bit, and a lot of ranging you will see instead of seeing the big moves to the upside. But Trump can do anything, that. It's his magic wand. If he start waving, then he can bring volatility into the market, right? So be very careful with that. The new setups, there's a lot of them, but this one I give you pound Aussie 40-minute chart. Beautiful setup here. I was expecting there's going to drop here, and it did. So now from here it's gonna probably bounce. The chart I made before, let me just show you that I had this chart made. I think I overwrote that chart. Yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, so that is a current chart. Where is it? Yeah, that is the current chart right now. So I'm expecting that this thing probably gonna go to the upside. It market open gap down a little bit, right? Although it was here, and then when market open, we were here, and that was my target, final target anyway. And after that, it's supposed to be going to the upside. So it's going probably. Let's see what happens, right? I need to have a 7-minute long setup. If not, then forget about it. But I have a 90% hope that it will bounce from here. So let's see what happens. And good luck, and wish you have a very wonderful and profitable coming week. And talk to you guys in the next video.